Ever heard the expression, penny for your thoughts? Well, how about a dime for your nerves? Ever been to the beach, been walking and had that pebble in your shoe? When you get the pressure onto nerves, you change the way the nerve functions. And sometimes when that nerve doesn't function the way it's supposed to, it can create a situation where you have to stop doing what you're doing and try and get that pebble out of your shoe or trying to get that pressure off the nerves. As chiropractors, what we do is we adjust the spine by moving the bones, we take the pressure off the nerves, and we restore the normal nerve function. With that, we allow people to live better lives. So when you put that pressure of a nerve, the pressure of a dime on the nerve, 8 to 10 millimeters of mercury pressure, it changes the way the nerve functions significantly enough so that you create big problems. So if you're having problems with any sorts of discomfort or you've got some pressure onto the nerves in your back, let us help you at Lowe Chiropractic. We'll do an exam, we'll get a plan, and we'll get you the care you're looking for.